Hello students, I hope you all are in good health and eagerly waiting for the classes. So let's begin our first chapter, that is crop production and management. Before starting the topic, we should understand what is food and its importance. What is food? Food is the basic requirement of life to survive. Its importance, it helps us to get energy, it helps us to be alive, it helps us in a growth, each play an important role in our body. Now let's see the slide. So, crop production and management. What is agriculture? You can see the image of agriculture here. Growing plants and rearing animals for food, clothing and other useful products is called agriculture. What is crops? You can see the image here. When plants of same kind is grown and cultivated at one place on a very large scale, it is called crops. Types of crops, there are mainly two types of crops, kharif crops and rabi crops. Now what is kharif crops? These are sown in rainy season starting from the month of June and harvested around October. For example, paddy, maize, cotton are kharif crops. You can see the image is given here of kharif crops. Now second is rabi crops. These are sown in winter season starting from the month of October and harvested around April. For example, wheat, gram, peas, mustard, barley are rabi crops. Now what is agricultural practices? You can see here some steps is given here. The steps involved in agriculture which are followed by farmers for a good crop yield are known as agricultural practices. The various agricultural practices are as follows. You can see here, first preparation of soil, second sowing, third adding manures and fertilizers, fourth irrigation, fifth weeding, sixth harvesting, seventh threshing and eighth storage. Now the steps of soil preparation. What is soil preparation? The soil has to be prepared and be made ready for cultivation. This involves the step like plowing or tilling and leveling. You can see the flow chart is given here. Preparing the soil, plowing and tilling, leveling, plowing. Plow, hoe, cultivator. It is divided into three parts. Now these are the agricultural implements. Before selection and sowing of seeds, it is necessary to loosen and break the soil to the size of grains for better yield. The main implements used for this purpose are plow, hoe, cultivator. Now what is plow? This tool is used for tilling or plowing the soil. Second, hoe. This tool is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. Third one is cultivator. This tool is used for loosening and turning the soil in the fields quickly. The use of cultivator saves labor and time. Second is leveling. Now what is leveling? The process to make soil surface in level for sowing of seeds. It is being done by using a leveler which is made up of wood or iron or a wooden plank. Leveling is basically done to break the chunks of dry soil. Second, it also helps to protect upper layer from soil erosion. It also prevents waterlogging and it promotes uniform irrigation. After the preparation of soil, the next steps is selection and sowing of seeds. Now what is sowing? The process of spreading the seeds in the soil to germinate is known as sowing. How to select seeds for sowing? How to select? Now you can see good quality seeds are selected for sowing. Second point, they are chosen by putting them in water. Third, if they are of bad quality, they become hollow and float in water. Fourth, if they are of good quality, they sink in water. You can see the image is given here, seed water test. Now next one is methods of sowing seeds. So there are mainly two methods of sowing seeds, broadcasting and seed drill. Now what is broadcasting? By scattering the seeds in the field by hand manual sowing, this method is called broadcasting. This is used in case of wheat. Seeds sown by this method are unevenly distributed in the field. You can see the image. Second one is seed drill. The plow keep furrows in the soil in which the seeds are dropped by seed drill. So this chapter we will continue in the next session. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.